Okay, so straight up somebody brought a cat to the beach and is trying to get the cat to play in the waves. Sorry. Oh my gosh, it's a little wet.
He has an Instagram page if you want to check it out.
Oh, the cat has an Instagram page.
It's Moishe. It's Moishe. M-O-I-S-H-E.
So you guys brought the cat to the beach to make an Instagram video?
Oh, we bring the cat everywhere.
Oh, nice.
In the market. Like, he's an adventure cat, yeah.
Are you going to teach him how to surf?
I'm teaching him how to skateboard now.
Oh, cool.
He knows how to sit on the man and lay down and roll over. Bubby, what are you doing? Yeah, nice to meet you.
I got a cat on my phone case.
You want to steal kitty butt? Yeah. Grab it. You're fine.
Nick Phillips, everybody. Nick Phillips, get in front of the rocks, dude. Turn it around, dude. Oh my god. What a, oh yeah, dude. Yeah, flex those pecs, dude. Make the cat look at you. You make the cat look at you.
Hey, you know the cat's trembling though. Like I don't think the cat likes being here. I don't think it's fair really to the animal. I'm sorry, I gotta say something.
I understand that.
I mean, I understand you guys are trying to make money off of Instagram and stuff, but this is also a creature. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Are you looking for a fight, buddy?
No, I'm not looking for a fight. I care about other creatures,
yeah,
you know?
Okay, we're leaving, so why don't you go away?
Did I offend you?
Yeah, well, you kind of are with the cat.
Why? Did I offend you, man? Are you going to flex your muscles, man?
You can't film like without
really trying.
Actually, you're in public space. So if you look at the law, I'm actually a professional YouTuber. I do make money off of YouTube, so.
Right. That's fantastic.
So, you know.
That's great. I don't understand what you're trying to like.
Because the animal obviously is not having a good time right now.
Do you notice that they're walking away?
I can tell by it shivering and shaking.
The animal told you.
I can tell by it shivering and shaking. You can tell signs if you're not perceptive enough to realize that the animal is not feeling good right now. It's meowing and stuff. If you don't know what cats are.
Is he meowing right now?
Well, now you took it away from the ocean. That's the thing. You took it away from the water. It was like, please, I don't want to be here anymore. Now it's like, thank you for taking me away from the waves.
On Instagram, you don't have to take cats to the ocean. You don't have to put cats in the wave. You can just get naked and spiral. Yes, of course.
Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday.
I am perpetually on tour across America, performing my levitation magic all over the place. And I want to take you with me to show you all the crazy places, people, and even animals. Hey guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click the little bell so that you'll actually see it when I post new videos.